Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this one, I'll show you a new VPN app that helps you get a fast and secure internet connection while browsing online. This app is called IZPH VPN Pro, and it's available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you have any questions so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type IZPH VPN Pro. From the results, look for the correct app by checking its name and icon, then tap Install. After it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. When you open the VPN app, you'll need to do a few simple settings to make sure it works perfectly. First, tap on the three lines at the top corner of the screen and select Online Update. This updates the app's resources to give you the best performance. Next, tap on the country network box and select your country. For this video, I'll choose Pakistan as my country network. You can select your own country name from the list. After that, tap on the server box and choose a server that works best in your location. The app will show several options. Select one that gives you a strong and stable connection. If your VPN time runs out while connected, you can easily extend it by tapping the Add Time button. This allows you to continue using the VPN without interruption. Finally, tap on the Start button to connect. Wait for a few seconds and as you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you can set up and use IZPH VPN Pro to get a fast and secure internet connection. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.